Hey friends, welcome back to the shop. If this is your first time here, I'm Dana, and today we're going to be doing a much needed upgrade on my 1999 Chevy Metro. Like most things from 1999, we don't have very good visibility in this Metro. So what we're going to be doing, thanks to our good friends at Oxilam, is upgrading the headlights to LED. So Oxilam sent us everything that we need to do this job. They sent us the Q36 series bulb to replace the regular incandescent bulb in the Metro, as well as the resistors. So because this comes from 1999, it does not have a CAN bus system in this car. If you do not have a CAN bus system in your vehicle and you're looking to do LED updates, you absolutely need to make sure that your LED bulbs come with resistors. So on the Metro we have a 9007 bulb, and this particular series from Oxilam replaces that. So what we've got is we've got our little white gloves, we have our product manual, and we have our replacement bulbs. So before we change out these bulbs, let's show you how bad this looked before at nighttime. So on the driver's side, the battery is actually in the way of accessing our bulb. Even though we do have little tiny hands, it's still not enough room. So we're going to shift the battery over. We're going to try to do it without unplugging it, but if we need to, we will. Okay, with our battery out of the way, we have room to access the bulb. However, it is still going to be a tight fit. In order to remove the bulb, you need to grasp the plastic housing holding the bulb in place and spin it in order to release the bulb. Once that plastic housing is completely released from the 3 mounting screws, you may need to pull gently on that bulb because it does have a rubber gasket to seal it in place. With your bulb out of the housing, go ahead and press down on the back of the plug and gently pry to remove the plug, taking care not to damage the bulb. Now we're going to install our resistor and our new LED bulb. Simply plug in the resistor to the bulb, making sure that your housing is appropriately mounted on your new LED bulb. So if the bulb is going to go in this way, your housing is going to go in place just like that. Now plug in the bulb to the resistor, and then install the bulb into your housing. When installing the bulb, make sure that you are installing the LED lights to be oriented left and right instead of up and down or cattywampus. This will ensure that we have the maximum reflectivity for our high and low beam lights. Now that you have the bulb in place and mounted appropriately, plug your resistor in. Get it nice and tight. And now we're going to zip tie up the actual resistor up out of the way. Stop! Before you get too far, go ahead and test out your new LED bulbs to make sure that they work without any sort of hyper flash and exactly as expected. Now let's show you how much more visibility Oxilam gives us.
High beam.
Huge shout out to Oxilam for helping to take our 20th century car and bring it into the 21st century. you can see how much brighter it is, how much more visibility there is, and it's really going to make it a lot safer to drive at night. So thank you, Oxilam, and if this video helped you or you're interested in any of these products, check out the description of the video, drop a comment down below, and hit a like and give us a subscribe. Many more videos to come on this Metro. Once again, thanks for watching. Take care and stay safe. We'll see you next time.